Oh yeah, back here on the farm. First step. Clutch. She's a little sticky. Yep, and cold. Way cold. Let's make sure we got the old gas on here. She got plenty of gas in her, I know that. This fuel line's been getting a little bit shy on me. Give her another go though. My assumption is that well, I'm gonna look into this.